Sometimes all we need is a little rain to slow down and enjoy the beauty of nature. Listen to the gentle sound of raindrops falling from the sky. Every drop touches the earth and brings a fresh feeling of life and peace. The cloudy sky, the cool breeze, and the beautiful rain create a magical moment that reminds us how amazing nature truly is. In the middle of our busy lives, moments like this give our hearts a little rest. So, take a deep breath, listen to the rain, and enjoy this beautiful gift from nature. Because sometimes, the simplest moments are the most beautiful ones. Welcome to Natural Beauty Animals, where every moment of nature tells a story.